iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro users should still handle the phones with care. Highlights: iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro both carry ceramic shield glass. iPhone 12 Pro steel frame seems to help resist cracks to some extent. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro both easily get corner scuffs. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro drop test videos are out and show the robustness of the ceramic shield front panel. Apple claims that the proprietary glass construction offers a fourfold increase in drop resistance. This was also noticed in the drop tests of both iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Separately, insurance company Allstate has claimed that the iPhone 12 emerged as the most durable smartphone it had ever tested. It conducted drop tests of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro to determine their fragility. Technology channel PhoneBuff has released an over 6.5-minute video on YouTube that covers the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro drop tests in multiple rounds. The video highlights that while the front panel of the two new iPhone models is protected by the ceramic shield glass, their rear panel carries a normal glass protection that doesn't resist shattering. The back of the iPhone 12 is more prone to damage than that of the iPhone 12 Pro, the drop test video suggests. It could be due to the fact that the iPhone 12 Pro has a stainless steel frame, whereas the iPhone 12 comes with an aluminum covering. However, the corner drop featured in the video shows that the stainless steel chassis of the iPhone 12 Pro results in a bit worse corner scuffs over the surface on the iPhone 12. Both iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, nevertheless, performed almost identical in the front, dropping on a concrete surface, with no visible cracks on the screen. The video also includes a bonus round in which the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro are dropped from under 1.5 meters on a still surface for as many as 10 times. It also features a bonus round where both phones are dropped from the same 1.5 meter height but on a concrete surface. After concluding the two rigorous rounds, the narrator says in the video that the screens on both phones remained unaffected. The iPhone 12, however, got some cracks at the back. At $279 for screen repairs and up to $549 for other repairs, iPhone 12 and 12 Pro owners should treat them with the same care they would give expensive cameras, the company noted in the video. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.